guys, it's Chris with That White STI, and today I'm going to be doing a car cleaning product review. The products I'm going to be reviewing are from Honest Wash by dipyourcar.com. I'm going to be reviewing a clay bar kit, which includes a clay bar hand mat, a couple microfiber towels, and the Car Show Prep Quick Detailing Spray, along with the touchless brake dust releaser and the Daily Defense Wax. All three of these products are going to be applied to my 2016 STI. Alright, so this is what we're going to be starting out with. So the hood's kind of dirty, not too bad. Not sure if you can see all that there. Car's going to be into a car show this weekend, so I got to make sure it's all clean. You can see a thin layer of brake dust on the wheels because of the Brembos. Not too much dirt, but it still hasn't had a coat of wax in about 6 months or so. So we're gonna go and see how these products fare. Alright, so first we're gonna be starting off with the touchless brake dust releaser. So with this product, all you gotta do is spray it on a cool, dry wheel and let it sit for a couple minutes. Don't have to use any tools, like brushes or anything like that. Best way to take this stuff off is using a pressure washer or a high pressure attachment on a garden hose. So let's get started. So now that you've let it sit for a couple minutes, it'll start to change to like a red color. See if you can see that on the camera there, on the rotor. So the setup I'm going to be using is just an electric pressure washer. It's about 1500 PSI. Hooks up to a garden hose. Works pretty well. So let's see how it goes.
Yeah!
So now the wheels are all clean. Can't really see that nasty like matte brown color that these wheels were before. So next I'm just going to wash the entire car. I'm not going to record that just so I don't bore you guys with the typical car wash video. We'll go from there. Alright, so up next we're going to be using the Honest Wash Car Show Prep Quick Detailing Spray, the clay bar hand mitt, and a couple microfibers. So with this product, it's okay if the hood is still a little bit wet. We're just going to go ahead, spray the product on the hood. Slightly generous amount. And we're going to go ahead and use this clay bar mitt. Very nice construction, very soft to the touch, so it doesn't hurt your hand or anything. Don't think it will cause any issues. This is after we have applied the spray detailer and use the pad. You will have streaks around the hood. It's just from taking off all the imperfections, dirt, and everything that the wash did not take off, including like wax and all these other little things you can get from daily driving. Now we're going to use the microfiber towels and take off the product and all the dirt that's built up. So here's the Honest Wash Daily Defense High Grade Wax. Comes in a 32-ounce container and also comes with a foam applicator pad. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to apply this product. Okay, so now we went over the hood with the Daily Defense Wax and the foam applicator, and I went all the way across the hood, front to back, side to side, all over the place. I went in a circular motion as well as a up and down and side to side motion. Really your choice. I just demonstrated each technique that there is. And just going to let this dry to a haze. Wait about 5-10 minutes and wipe it off with a microfiber. That's completely dry, or you can even take this off with a spray sealant to make the shine last even longer. and you can see no streaks, almost no swirls whatsoever. Hood looks fantastic. When you run your hand across it, super smooth, great quality finish. Product smells really good when you're applying it too. Seems to work really well. 10 out of 10 in my books. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the car so you guys can see the final product when I'm done with it. Get back to you guys in a little bit. Alright guys, so this is the finished product. I'm gonna go around, show you the entire car, give an idea of what it looks like. So out of everything, I think the products did a really good job of cleaning the car. I'll even bring it in really close to show you guys how that paint looks. The finish is super smooth, and I'm honestly really happy with how the product worked, especially on the wheels. The wheels tend to build up a ton of brake dust, so seeing how well this only did with just a pressure washer and no abrasives, very happy with how it was done and executed by me. You guys like the video, subscribe, comment below, everything. Tell me what you guys want to see. Tell me how you like some of the footage. It was shot with a Waspcam, not a GoPro. And I'll see you guys next time.